Hey, how's it going, guys? Mark Scott Stocks back at it again. As you guys know, I was in a square swing, took profits today, and then we had a nice little sell-off. So market pretty much sold off today. Pretty sure you guys noticed into some resistance areas, and they started pulling, and then really accelerated because we had the U.S. canceled trade planning meeting or whatever that is with China. So some the talks and stuff with the meeting that was supposed to happen got canceled. So caused a big sell off today. Because of the sell off, I went to watching Square again to see if I can get in there and possibly take another swing. But we do know with some negative news out on it that it can probably go lower. Towards the close today, we did get an alert set out saying that the comments about the meeting being canceled with China was actually false. That the meeting was still on. So because of that, I am taking a swing again. I will be in the. Let me look at this real quick and let you know the exact strike price. I'll be taking a swing 85 price target, and I'll be in the March 15th 85 calls. So just to see if we can possibly push back the recent highs and then see if we can get more out of it. So basically, I'm just telling myself I'm going to risk like 2 points to the downside for a possible 5+ point move to the upside. That's my thought process behind it. So I did get it around today, close around that 67.50 area, and right off this spot right here. Once I noticed we was reclaiming that, I took the swing, and I'm trying to see if we can push towards that 85 spot. Even though I don't get it, but I just want to at least capture like a good 4 to 5 point move to the upside and see if I can get a nice little return on these contracts I picked up today. So that is my current swing right now on Square. I did close out all my other positions. Nice little profit. So I now will see if I can make something else on it. I think today's pull was probably a gift if that news was fake, of course. But only time will tell. Like I said, I am going to risk 2 points to the downside. So as long as we don't get below, I would say probably 65.37. If I do want to push it a little bit, I might give it to 64.05 area. As long as we stay above those levels, I'll stay in that swing. If we do break those levels, at that point, I'll probably get out of that swing. So those are the two levels that I'll be watching to see whether or not I'll be getting out of those swings or if I'll be staying in the swing. Again, I am in the March 15th 85 calls, and we'll see what happens from there. If anything, if I do see us get a little bit more pullback and I do really like it, I'll also consider the 90 calls. But again, my bigger one is the one I really want to see is that 85. See if I can get a nice move on it. It was down 62 cents today because of the pull. So I figured, hey, I can at least get 62 cents per contract that I have. So at least get that is what I'm looking for. But if I get more, I'll be happy with that. So like I said, that's what I'll be looking on the Square swing. Spots that I'll be watching to kill it would probably be that 65.37 or the 64.05 would be my max stop on this trade. Again, this is Mark Sky Stocks. If you have any questions or anything, feel free to reach out. Again, leave a comment below. Subscribe if you like. Whatever you feel like doing. But again, Mark Sky Stocks back at it again. All right, guys, take care.